So your videos suck. Now, that's not to say my videos don't suck, because believe me, they most certainly do. And every video I've posted so far, it sucked. But I was having a thought the other day, and it's mostly just self-doubt. We keep convincing ourselves that we need these epic locations with these grand vistas. But it's just not true. We see all these videos with crystal clear water and these sprawling mountains followed by gushing, raging waterfalls, and we think that's what we need. Don't get me wrong, I love shooting that stuff as much as the next guy, and I'd be lying to say I didn't have a video coming out soon with all those things in it. But where we live now, whether it be a city, a countryside, a beach town, they're all amazing places, and we just think they're boring because that's where we come from. So what I'm trying to get at is we need to change our mind frame. So what seems boring and mundane to you could be alien and exciting to someone else. Think about it this way. If you live in a city and you go out to the countryside on a drive, how beautiful does that scenery look? But to someone who lives there every day, that's just the normal. That's boring. Oh. What I was gonna say then, so your experience could be valuable to someone else. Take me for example. I drive past this place every day on my way to work, and not once have I stopped to make a video. And I've just stumbled across some horses. So like that, for example, I never would have seen that if I hadn't have changed my perspective. I've lost the path. Okay, so I found the path again. Got a bit spooked then. There was a deer in all this foliage and I did not see it. So yeah. I didn't charge my batteries, phone footage didn't work, so now you're talking to me and Remy in the future at home. So my point was that whether it be you, me, them, they, whoever, we can all make the difference in our videos by changing our perspectives, can't we? She doesn't seem to care anyway, but so yeah, I'm not sure that this video made any coherent sense whatsoever, and I probably just waffled on for another 5 minutes as per usual. Do you want to get down? But yeah, if I didn't waffle on and made actually a little bit of sense and you think that's useful, drop down to the comments below and let me know what you think. If you like the video, do all that normal stuff, like and subscribe. Thank you for being you. I've been me, and I'll see you next time. Also, the reason we both look so tired today is because Someone decided you wanted to be awake all night last night, didn't you? Hey? See you guys.